Even though you're not a tailor, you can draft this crop shirt. Let me show you an easiest way to draft it. First, you mark out 2 inches from the top of your pattern paper and make a straight line. That line will serve as your shoulder line. Next, you mark out allowance for your button 3 inches and connect it with a straight ruler. From that point of 3 inches, you come out by 1 inch and mark it. Then you connect the dots with a straight ruler. Next, you fold the button allowance so you can use it to draft out the back pattern because the back don't have button. For the armhole, because this is a loose top, I'll be using my bust point measurement to get the armhole. I'll measure from my shoulder to my bust point and mark a straight line. This will also serve as my bust line. For the neck width, I'll be using 2.5 inch for both front and back. And for the back neck depth, I'll be using 1 inch. Then I'll connect it with a curve ruler. So for the front neck depth, you come down by 3 inches, then connect it to the curve ruler. Next, you mark your shoulder measurement. From the point of your shoulder measurement, you come down by 1.5 inch, which will serve as your shoulder slope. Then make a short straight line on the point. Next, you take your shoulder width, which is 5 inch. You place it on the point of your neck line. Then you connect it to the short line of your shoulder slope. Then you mark a straight line. Then you mark a straight line from the point of your shoulder slope to your bust point. And from this bust line, you get your bust measurement divided by 4 plus 1.5 inch sewing allowance. Then you mark it all the way down to the hemline because this is a crop top. We won't be needing the waist measurement. Then for the armhole, you divide whatever you have there by 2, then mark it. From that point that you mark, you come in by 1/2 inch. Then you connect it with a curve ruler to create your armhole. So for shirt, the back of the shoulder usually overlap the front. So to create that overlapping, you minus 1 inch from the front shoulder and then add the 1 inch to the back shoulder. Then from that new shoulder of the front, you create a new neckline. Then you cut it out. Please pay attention how I'm cutting. So to cut out the back, remember that 1 inch that we removed from the front, so we are going to replace it to the back. I'll be using that one that I cut out to trace out the 1 inch. Then you trace every other part and cut it out. For the back side, there is no much thing to do to the back side. Then for the neck width of the back side, you will be using 1 inch for the neck depth, then normal 3.5 inch that we use to get the neck width. So the next video will be on how to sew it. If you've watched up this extent, please follow me on Facebook and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you on my next one. Bye.